Whoa. Hello. Hello, everyone. Mianya. Hope you're having a nice day. It is I, Kyra. We are doing, things. We are doing things. We have less than 24 hours left, and the counter broke. Of course it does. Okay. Hold on. Just adjust that. There you go. And place that there. Gotcha. Okay. Hopefully everything is alright with y'all. Okay, no person has gotten yet, but I think over time we'll get on with that. So before I move on, I'm just making sure that I have everything settled. Anyway, yeah, I am gonna go unmute Chino because Chino's actually muted right now. Hi.
Hello!
How is your ramen break?
Ramen? I do not have ramen. I would like some ramen.
Wait. The music, wait. Sorry, the music is overpowering you. I am sorry. Hello, hi Ara. Welcome. I also forgot to set up music. Ain't I a good streamer? I thought we're gonna do, I thought I'm gonna have like the fastest stream setup to date, like done in like 10 minutes, but no. Anyway.
It's all a work in progress.
Yeah, it's all a work in progress, sadly. There you go. There you go. I got our music set up. Nice. I don't think I'm gonna do any more spriting now. For a good while. So I am working right now on our entity friend here that's gonna take your soul away.
Welcome to part 2, the coding stream. Nerds only allowed. You get to see the finest of our syntax, words, and other phrases used in a program that only we know.
Okay, I'm still gonna simplify things so that people would understand, right?
Maybe.
I'm gonna try. Anyway, Cheeto, if you look at your right side, there is a timer now.
Ooh, timer.
Yeah, there's a timer now.
Hang on, I keep accidentally closing the stream.
The inevitable march until darkness.
Oh no. Oh no.
There it is.
Wait, did you rip that directly from the page?
Yeah, I did. It's actually really easy to get it, okay?
Yeah, I could see how you do that. It's cool.
I didn't have to change the background. It's like automatic. Like, it's just automatically removed, too. I just had to change the text to, like, to black. Okay, so there is this one problem that I want you to see, Chino.
Alright.
If you look here, like the entity just vanishes from the view as soon as it enters any tile.
You send me a separate stream on Discord so I can see where you're.
Oh right. Gotcha. I will do that. And screen.
A secret hidden stream that only the elite get to access. Now a new Kyra elite tip membership tier, and you too get to watch the stream.
Don't you worry. I will try and explain things on the way so you see my thought processes. But this is good though. It's a free game engine. Free. Chino, can't you believe it? It's a free game engine. Anyway, yeah. So in my end, the entity actually is also like abiding with colors, and I don't really want that. Oh.
Alright, so where's the issue on this? Just
the entity is like not colored purple.
So, are you saying the entity's color?
Also,
The mask that's showing up and not the entity's actual sprite?
yeah. So like, if I go out of bounds real quick, the entity is there, but once I get in, what?
All right. So let's go into. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Why this is happening? So the problem is the entity is. You know how you have light in the game and only you can see things in the light?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, actually no. Never mind. That might not be it because you set the light to be dimmed back down to gray again, didn't you? Right?
Yeah. It's gray again.
I do that? I might have accidentally did that.
I set it to like dark blue so I could see everything.
Okay, so let's go to the entity and see its color. Let's go to the entity and change.
Okay, so
right.
So here is the entity.
Right. So let's look at the entity sprite. Click on the entity sprite, not the mask. So entity sprite, let's go to the light mask. Let's see what happens when we turn off the light mask, just to see what happens.
Let's see.
Run it.
It is still colored.
It's still showing up.
Still colored, and
so right now it looks almost like it's showing up behind everything. So.
Oh, so I just need to change the index.
Well, I mean.
Wait, also not just that. Like compared to the character, they're like that colored as well. So.
All right, let's check the. Well, that might have to do with the light mask there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try the index.
Yeah, that solves it, but the eyes are still not ignoring lighting conditions.
So which eyes do you need to? The eyes on the base sprite?
Anything that's purple on the character, like basically. So they're supposed to look like this, right? So like if I tone this down, this is how it would look like.
Okay. Is that on the sprite or the mask?
I think the sprite is fine. The mask is the problem.
The mask is the problem. So
we wanted to ignore the colors, basically.
So let's turn off the light mask on that one. See what happens, and turn on the light mask back on that one.
Okay.
Though it might not have to do anything.
Still being affected.
All right. So right now,
also is it
white
is it?
When it's
yeah, it's supposed to be purple. Is it that additive or something?
Purple. So the eyes are white when it's following you. So I don't know if even the entity mask is even visible. So let's check the entity mask. Z's relative visible modulate. So behind parrot is probably not that. And when you had light mask on, it didn't really make a difference, right?
Hold on, let me change the Z index. Yeah. Fix the problem with the eyes though.
So the eyes should be showing up. What is the material of the eyes?
Hold on, let me just quickly change the background to like gray. So we could easily see it. Canvas modulate. There you go. Yeah, that's supposed to be ignoring light conditions, but it's obeying light conditions.
It's supposed to be ignoring.
Yeah.
All right. So then the issue is. So the light condition, specifically by ignoring light conditions, you mean ignoring the, what is it called? The canvas modulate.
Yes, it's supposed to ignore canvas modulate.
This is something I am still not as familiar with canvas modulate. This is my first time. So there's possibly one idea here is to entirely put on, this is a little hacky way of doing it, but put it as a child of a new canvas layer inside the entity mask, put on a different canvas layer, and then have that, you have to manually set the global position of it every frame to match it. That's a little weird though. Let me see if there's a way to ignore a canvas modulate.
Yeah, We'll see about that. I think in the meantime, are you still working on player?
There was something I was doing with the attacking sprite. So the attacking sprite, I was gonna work on that.
Gotcha. Hi, Rosie. Welcome. Hope you're having a nice day.
Let's see. Color.
Got bread. Should I eat bread? I don't think it's a good idea to eat bread right now.
I don't know. I think it's always a great idea to eat bread.
Well, I will celebrate this though when I'm trying to speak.
I think bread is the bread with all the cheese on it. Like, you get the cheesy bread at Subway, like, all the time. No other bread. Abide by the cheese. It is one of the life rules.
Oh my gosh.
Just 1 point. Can you show me your play space quickly?
Sure.
So the structure of play space. Oh, Stack Overflow, let's go.
It's not Stack Overflow. Where were we? So, okay, then like play space, right? Yeah.
Alright, so we can see the entity is below the level geometry. So that was the reason behind the issue with it not even showing up. I
changed the Z index to be on top.
It should not have that issue anymore. And it's on top of the canvas modulate, so I don't think it's an issue with the layers of the canvas modulate. So go back to that Stack Overflow post. It's probably going to be your best answer.
I'm Googling it already.
Unshaded, let's go. Unshaded. That's all we have to do.
A particle node in the scene tree.
Yep, that's
so it's just set it a material.
So yeah, just a material right down there.
Okay, we're gonna.
You got
to be
all the time.
Yeah. Okay. So, sprite, new resource shader.
Wait, what are you doing with the shader?
You
don't need to do anything with
material. So canvas item material.
Or are you making like? All right.
So there's that.
And also
blend mode.
It like
light
inside of the panel and then save it.
Oh yeah, no, but what if we lose that?
Well, there's a save as button.
Oh, okay. I forgot about the save as button. Gotcha. So we're applying the unshaded material on the entity mask, and now it should ignore the tint.
Please ignore it.
Heck yeah!
Yeah.
Heck yeah!
Okay.
Yo!
Alright, but wait, why is it? No, is that? It was at first, and can you reset it? Like
the white is part of the sprite.
Oh, the white is part of the mask.
No, yeah, it's part of the mask. It's when they prepare a move. So.
All right. To confirm this, can you turn up the modulate all the way? Black. Can you turn the canvas modulate up so we can tell that
Okay. I have color sensitivity, so my eyesight has color sensitivity, but just to demonstrate for the others that we could see, right? So yeah.
Okay, yep, that's exactly what we need. Yep, that's good. That's it. That's exactly.
That's what I want to see. Okay, got that. Okay, I'm gonna change it so that when it gets hit, it's gonna activate. Like I just naturally like try and attack the glowberry. Blah.
Do you need to change these like the win state and the lose state and all those? They're just temporary.
We're gonna change it. We're gonna change it. I will definitely change it, but right now that will do. Honestly, it's really useful.
Alright, so let's go.
I think I'm done with the entity, and I would like to work on the player more, but
Alright.
right now, I think I'm gonna go work on like the glowberry a bit, so it would receive the player attacking and the thing.
So one thing I need to ask right now is there too much time between throwing your next boomerang?
Yeah, I will shorten it. I will shorten it.
Alright.
So what I'm gonna do is like there's like an attack, like the animation. There's gonna be animation delay between the player throwing, so they're gonna be immobile when they start the throw, and also the player is gonna be immobile when they attack. That way we get some balance and some weight on the whatever they're doing.
Player to be immobile while it's doing that?
Yeah, I'll set it up. I'll set it up.
Okay, because actually that's what.
Yeah, so after you fix the dash thing, I would like you to like work on the
Dashing. Which dashing? Do you mean the dashing to the water?
yeah, the dash into the water. That's the I would like you to work on the dash into the water and the bullet coming from the entity.
The bullet coming from the entity. You mean by that one? Are you talking about the bullet doesn't have the sprite on it? Yeah. Alright, let me write these down. I always keep a hard list right by me on physical paper.
Okay, so I am gonna work on the glowberry. I want the glowberry to emit a thingy. Full glowberry. There it is. I read goal as coal. Yes, let's go all the way to the end and get coal. Alrighty, so I want the glowberry. You're free to interrupt me, by the way, Chino. So I'm just gonna just see what my thought processes are. So I want the particle. That shows texture. Shows a specific texture, and it should be particles. Glowberry activate. So there's the texture. Yeah, it does a pulse when it gets attacked. And then the material. I think I'm gonna add a material. Hold on. Material. I want the material to be additive, so there you go. There you go. So that's the material, and I want it to transform from small to big. Materials
Question I got here. You have 2 frames for dying. It's an animation sequence, or are they 2 different directions you die in?
It's an animation sequence.
Alright.
I think I set them to be like 2 FPS, so they would like collapse.
Let me make sure it's not a loop.
Yeah, that would be appreciated.
Right, let me just make sure it's playing.
Can I? Okay, I'm figuring out. Having to figure this out again. So I want it to explode, but also like change the size of it over time. But I'm not seeing it here.
So what are you trying to do?
Particle stuff.
So you need to increase it over time. You have in the process material functions, everything you're going to edit on the particle.
Mm-hmm.
Process material.
Oh, is this process material?
Material. You got to create new particles material.
Okay, got it.
That has all the stuff with it. The
Gotcha.
particles is just a particle spawner.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you very much. I would have been here banging my head over for quite a while. So
if you really lost it over that, I have a literal 1-to-1 conversion of the, what was it? The GMS particle spawner in case of backup.
look, the Particles 2D is a better one already because like I don't have to program everything.
There are certain things you can't do with Particles 2D that you have to just force your way in. Brute force it.
Now it's shaking. Is there gravity in this? Yeah, there is gravity. Okay.
Yes.
There we go. Now it's not moving. The time is 0.1, so we can see it very fast. Hello, hi worker. Hope you're having a nice day. You have schoolwork to do. Okay. So to help you with your schoolwork, remember that the time bomb is not ticking down. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Lego, just use the Lego game particle generators. Oh my goodness.
If you ever want extra classes, you can come to the extra class, the Chino extra class. We provide many different lessons and many different educational features, such as, I don't have any other skills I can teach. Scratch that.
Oh god. God, don't watch! Don't watch! Oh! Oh no! I'm sorry!
Sleepy.
Oh, that I did not mean that.
Orders to obey, Chino.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry. For the photosensitive folks, I did not mean that.
Alright. Also remember to change the transparency while you're doing that so it doesn't do that.
Oh yeah. Color ramp, new gradient texture.
Layer dead template, so dead placeholder.
Yeah, that was too fast, but that's not what I mean. But it's supposed to be white to white, white to black. There you go. That's better.
And I can explode at any minute now. There will be no further questions on that subject matter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Ooh, nice particle.
It is a nice particle. It's such a simple particle too. I'm gonna just scale it down because I'm too lazy to scale it over there.
Thin particle. Tiny particle.
0.5. Oh, that's the amount. 0.5. Okay, so we have that, and then whenever it activates, or whenever it if not active. So it's gonna activate when it's not active, but we'll both when the torch and the parry hits the glowberry, I want to at least emit once. One shot. Can I just do that? Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to emit then, and you just need to find that piece of code. on particles 2D here. So I want to emit. Is there a... Oh, so we just set emitting to true. Yeah, I just set emit to true.
Yeah, yep.
Like, what? How about, like, what if I want to emit it repeatedly? Do we just set emit to true and then it's gonna disable itself? Okay. Okay, when dealing with a project report, oh, the Godot documentation, really good. I love Godot because it's like community made, so like the documentation for it is like done really fast.
The documentation for the next version is already in progress. The fact that it's not like, I don't know. Usually it will take time for the documentation. They'll release it. They'll release a new version of other game engines and then make the documentation later. I swear I've seen that.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Very nice. Wait, where did the berry go? Oh, there's the berry.
Emitting... Oh, this particles 2D, not particle 2D. Anyway, when you're writing a report, you just like cover like what you've done, list them out, and stuff like that. And oh, indeed. Oh, okay. That's fair. Wow.
Goal position.
Wait, are they all emitting? No. Just... Okay. I want that. I don't want to double that. Oh, gotcha. There you go. Alrighty, now it should work properly. Is the attack box like extremely big?
Turn on visible collision shapes.
How?
Top debug.
How do we do that?
Debug at the top. The debug button. It's at the top left.
Top left.
Top left. Left.
Top
Yeah, to the left.
Visible collision shapes. Okay, gotcha. So, oh god, it's so big. I'm gonna adjust that to be smaller. Also, that is off center, my friend. Okay, so let's change the play space modulate, aka the darkness of the whole place, to like somewhat a decent color, so we could see like what's happening in the bottom. So when I press the left button, you'll see the attack range, and it's actually extremely big. I need to wait for Chino to like make it smaller.
I mean, you can make it smaller. It doesn't take that much work. Go to just attack then.
Oh wait, you're modifying the GD, right?
I'm not modifying the GD. I'm just doing stuff with the player right now. And, I mean, you can modify it at the same time.
Okay.
Issues I got are just like, how do I do this?
I just need to make sure that it's like safe, safe to do.
Yeah.
That's why it's not centered. It was like delayed by one. Okay, so I'm gonna do a thing. Where is the entity? I could just reuse the code for the entity mask on the dash indicator. Okay, no, not entirely. Okay, I'm just gonna duplicate that then. Player dash indicate. Put that on the player. Yo, hello. Hi, Mystic.
Whoa, who's that?
It's a waffle.
That.
It's an edible friend. That sounded weird. Okay. I regret saying that.
You know what jokes I'm gonna start making if you keep talking like that.
No, stop. Stop.
Okay, honestly, Wait, no. I had these really big pancakes this morning for breakfast. I had the big giant fluffy ones. I've shown you the pictures of these pancakes that I have. Like, what was it? I don't know, that magic pancake maker that just like you can make not an inch thick, maybe a half an inch thick of pancake. So good. The biggest trick to making good ones though is like even if you're just using the mix, when you're using the pancake mix, use less water than they tell you to use. And because if you do that, you'll get less pancakes, but they'll be a lot fluffier, a lot more dense, and a lot better than whatever the mix recommends. Depending on what mix you get. Same thing with, you can do that with waffles and other things, but I know you can do it with pancakes. I have a waffle bowl maker too, where you can, what is it? I'm just seeing chat now.
That's your own fault, Chino.
Alright. I have my Pokemon waffle maker too, and I need to crank that out one day. Like,
Oh my
if you've ever
goodness.
had a Pokemon waffle, the Pokeball waffles, those are like really good. And then because Pokeballs are like symmetric across the line, you can basically fold it in half into like a taco. Pokeball taco.
Oh my goodness. Okay, where are we? You're working on the sprite thing. You're working on the sprite thing, my friend.
I will always keep getting to like 10-minute long tangents.
Don't worry. It's fine. It's for the stream, and we're having fun.
I'm attacking something.
Okay. So, what I need to do now? All right. So while Chino explaining stuff, I did a small little change when, if you could see like those small little 2 dots on the character, that's supposed to be your dash indicator and not indicated by the, by these big symbols here. So that's that those small little 2 dots is your dash indicator. I'm changing to that right now. Other than that, yeah. Okay, so the dash indicator, I will edit player.gd now. I would like. Where is that? Shoot, that's attack, dash, game state. So use dash in the game state changes the one in the UI, correct?
Yeah, the game state is the central source of all my knowledge.
Okay, so
I like to have one source of truth. So yeah.
Is there anything that controls the player in the game state, or is just everything set to the game state?
All of the state variables are centered in game state, so not variables that have nothing to do with positioning or other data. So right now the player's dashes is basically the only thing that's held in the game state that's meaningful.
Wait, no, let me reform that question. Where is the dash count?
Dash count is in game state.
Okay, dash count is also in game state. Gotcha. Game state is in Sista. Wait, no. Where folder? Oh wait, I can just search it. It says singleton.
Tech time.
Gotcha. Singleton is to explain. A singleton is actually code that's running in the background, no matter what.
One class. It's a single class. That's
It's a single class that you could just run. Yeah.
right.
Also, my camera's like being wonky because like, I don't know what it's trying to detect, but like my hand is like being detected, somehow, even though I don't have my hands like carried up. I have both hands up right now, but it's not being detected by the camera.
You have it with the hand tracking on.
Yeah, I have hand tracking on, but it's like horrible.
I was never able to get the hand tracking on that program working correctly with just on webcam.
My goodness. Okay. Well, this is like way better than yesterday. It's like last time it was like mostly silent because I was just doing spreads. Now I get to program things. And that's the difference altogether. Number of dashes. Dashes.
Cool down, dead time, attack cool down, but hit points reach it because I'm
Wait, so the UI is getting the dash count?
the UI derives it from the game state.
On dashes change self. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna connect it to the connect it. Wait, what? That is the entity. Where's the player? Forgot the player. Player. There you are.
So if you're just trying to change it on the player itself, just every time that you say update, I believe there's a use dash function in player, or sorry, it calls gamestate.use dash. After that, just update the sprite there.
Okay.
You don't have to like do some signal processing.
Gotcha. I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna hide the HUD because we don't need that anymore. Or is that the HUD? Just the. I guess I could just safely delete the HUD. I'm not sure if we need it for something else right now. I'm just gonna keep it in for now, inactive. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit the player then. So going to the dash function, so like you see there, like, so this is the dash function that allows you to dash. It changes that the character is dashing, and it'll signal the game state to use the dash and starts the dash. So what I could do is to grab the sprite and the dash indicator from there, and then change the frame equal to the frame, as in like the number, the picture number, equal to the amount of dashes you have. So game state dash number of dashes. Is it num dash?
Hang on.
No, it's not num dash.
Dash. Whatever's in game state. So game state has num underscore dashes.
Is it num dash? Num dashes. Okay.
Num underscore dashes. Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna tell the game that the player dashed, or rather the game manager that the player dashed, and then update the number of dashes according to how many dashes are left. Wait, that does not make sense. I still need the signal. Because when you recover the dash, it's not gonna update because it only happens when you dash.
Let's see. Let me see that. Sorry, I'm looking at code.
Don't worry about it. I think I know what to do, so don't worry about it.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah, because it needs to identify it from anytime you're hitting the platform and that when you hit it. So just, yeah, use the signal anyways. You're not going to cause any problems when you use the signal. So even if the player's the one controlling it, it's still fine. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna connect there, and then function on game state dash is completed. Oh my goodness. I'm being... You know what? I'm gonna turn off the hand detection real quick. There. Hand detection is off. So I don't cover Chino. Okay, so where was I? Please speak. That's the glowberry. Game state. There it is. Player. Dash is updated. Oh no, this dash has changed. And I'm pretty sure you passed through something. Yeah. You did pass through. Type integer. There you go. And just find it. There. Okay, that should work. Yep, it works.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I do. How's progress on your end, Chino?
Running into issue with is I need to show the attack animation up and down, but the down one's seeming to work. The up one is not seeming to work.
I think let me handle the animation side of things.
All right. Let me push this then. Let me just think if there's anything else I need to do on this beforehand. Alright.
I'm just like too hesitant to work on the player at the moment while you're working on it.
We'll trade off. You work on the player, I'll work on something else.
Yeah. Work on the...
Push directly to main. Okay.
Yeah. Gotcha. So when we say push directly to main, we're like using a repository. It basically like a hard drive stored on the cloud and has versioning, so we can grab older versions of files.
I do want to say, like, probably 1 or 2/3 of furries out there are watching the stream are probably also comp-sci people.
Oh, don't worry. I mean, it's better to like explain everything either way.
True.
Like they might be comp-sci people. It's like, what's Git?
We all have the programmer socks. Don't worry.
Oh my gosh! So I use a repository as well, a different repository instead of like GitHub. It is called GitGood. It's so
Oh,
funny.
yes, I remember that. I know my brother gets really mad at GitHub because there's a lot of things that they don't provide when you're doing DevOps stuff.
Uh-huh.
I have not gotten there yet. I'm baby. I like the UI, the nice UI.
Yeah, I use Git good because of said DevOps. Lacking of DevOps. Okay,
Alright, why is the camera not following? Sure, the camera is following.
oh my goodness. Yeah, Git is also good, but also like for a game jam, you could also technically do like just a hard drive and stuff, but we just elect to do Git. Also, like all of this code that we're doing right now, it's gonna be publicly available later as well, since it's a requirement of the game jam.
Technically, I think it's already publicly available. You just have to find where it's located.
Oh yeah, you just have to find it. Good luck, guys.
I'm in danger.
Fetch and pull. Unresolved conflicts.
Alright, you know what? Are you pulling into your branch? How many unresolved conflicts you got?
I have like, I only have
2. Alright.
2.
Let's check
Yeah.
those. Can you open up in VS Code, or do you not have VS Code?
It's the one for the Glowberry is just the load steps.
Yeah, that's fine. You
That's
don't
fine,
need that.
and then
I have no idea what that
just
is.
additions. That's fine. I'm gonna push. I'm gonna push the main.
I mean, if you have to resolve the conflicts, right?
Yeah. Player and will player and 50 and go very and commit.
No, I mean by that, it won't let you to commit them once while they're conflicted. Okay. Never mind.
Okay. What do we do here? What's the problem? The conflict.
There it is. Game state dashes change, stash changes.
Oh, it's just
Yeah,
added.
that's-
Oh wait,
No, that's correct. That was correct.
no, the pass was removed.
Yeah, the passwords were removed.
Here.
Oh. Hang on. Never mind.
I'm gonna push.
I'm gonna do a sanity check and pull that and make sure everything is working right.
Okay.
Right now, that camera isn't quite working how it should be, so.
Oh my goodness. I don't have programmer socks. Did you not? Did you know I don't have programmer socks? I sadly don't have programmer socks. I just never thought of like actually buying programmer socks.
Oh, programmer socks, got it. See, did I tell you about the story that if you give your address to people, they're the reason why they don't tell you not to give your address to people on the internet?
My goodness.
Not because that somebody's gonna stalk you and find you. People have better things to do than go to your house and find you. What are they gonna do? Kidnap you?
I think I reverted the Glowberry code by accident.
Right. The thing what happened is I gave somebody my someone my address, and because of that, you can go on AliExpress and fill out anybody's address on AliExpress, and programmer socks are like $5 for $10 on there. So obviously this person made an investment
Oh my
and
goodness.
shipped programmer socks and a Vaporeon plushie directly to my house.
Okay, I already gave you mine for postcards.
Okay, I heard that as I gave you my programmer socks. So like, hang on, wait, no,
No.
I don't have to
No.
socks yet.
No.
Official merch coming soon. Check your emails.
Oh my god, I don't even know what Kyera programmer socks would look like.
The official Kyera Thea license out there of the finest quality. We get the finest of, like, I don't know, Brazilian manufacturer. I don't know who manufactures programming socks, honestly.
I don't know either.
Give us your money. Thank you.
Do I have... okay, where was I? Where was I? Glowberries. Right.
So let me just turn off good.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna do the code again. It's easy.
Alright.
So, if not active...
Might be glowberries, I'm not sure, so...
Glowberry. You wanna eat glowberries?
I'd love to eat those suspicious glowing berries.
I just call them glowberries because, like, their only thing to do is to glow.
Nothing wrong with the suspicious looking glowing berries over there. They're delicious. Oops, everything's broken.
How many months do you think I would realize that you ordered programming socks for me?
Alright, let me just add that down to my list of things I need.
Don't actually do that, please, no! I wanna start. I wanna buy stuff for myself. Give me the chance, please.
Alright, so that means you're gonna buy your own programmer socks.
No. Oh. I pinned myself into a corner, did I?
Alright, so we got a load error. Can't find... Glowberries had a problem. Okay. Alright, that's probably because you push Glowberry with merge conflicts in it.
Yeah, I did. I thought it's gonna overwrite it. I thought I set it to overwrite.
Alright, this is why definitely if you're using GitHub, always download VS Code too. Just because it's very good at it.
I have VS Code.
Because I know it will say, like, open it up in VS Code, and then VS Code will...
I have Notepad++, so I have that. I don't know, it's just like, I prefer using Notepad++ for merge conflicts because it's just easy, it's like faster to boot up.
True. Well, I mean, VS Code is, like, really fast.
I mean, yeah, but like there's also like plugins that it also loads before it like, shows anything.
Yeah, I usually almost don't use any plugins.
Like in VS Code you have to wait seconds, but in Notepad++ it's just...
We're really saving off the seconds.
It's a speedrun. We're in a game jam. There's 23 minutes and 23 hours, 1 minute and 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chino, there's like 23 hours left.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Okay, let's add
Glowberry. Yeah, there's the merge conflicts right there.
Did I also lose the thingy?
Right.
One shot.
Hang on.
Process material.
Let me just look at this.
Did I also lose the material?
Material of which material?
Oh yeah, I did lose the materials. I lost my materials. The thing that makes it glowy. Oh wait, no, I see now. I just didn't I didn't update from main.
Alright, hang on. Let me push a update to main really quickly.
Okay.
I
just did it. Oh my goodness.
Alright. Update. Yeah. So, whole main now.
Okay.
Should be working, but there's one extra problem that I need to fix is that the camera is dying on me, and I don't know why the camera is dying.
Nande? Why is the glowberry?
No, you're on Kyra branch. Just pull from main. Or do you see update from main?
Yeah, I did. I did. I did update from main. Oh, there's another one.
Now run it.
There you go. Yeah, there's the glowberry.
Quickly.
I just forgot to.
I want to see if somehow your camera's... Okay, no, I broke the camera. I will fix the camera.
I should have. Why is the character death spawning every time I attack?
Hey!
The character death is spawning every time I die.
Exactly why it does that. I didn't account for that.
That's funny.
I will fix that.
Okay.
Alright. But first, let me fix the camera.
Yeah, fix the camera and I'll work on the player.
Alright. The reason why the player is doing that is because I made on tree exited, and I thought I was safe with doing that, but no. Basically, you want to do it on the exact place that you want to put whatever I put on tree exited to instead happen exactly where I put the queue free on the character. But alright, so camera is player.tcsn.
Truly an out of body experience to Dash. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am definitely gonna rework the animation part to be a bit more a bit more consistent. But
that's why. Turn the
also the play space. I'm gonna remove the entity for now because
fix the player death already, or I can fix that right now. I just fixed the camera problem.
Okay.
One line.
Do you want me to wait a bit?
Alright, just wait for 2 seconds and I will fix things that need to be fixed.
Okay.
Player tree. Oh, no, I know. In the merge conflict, yeah, that's what happened.
What happened?
So you moved a little too much code into another thing. And, where is it?
Oh, there it is.
So, see line number 173 to 175.
Okay, so what's supposed to be there?
In the game state, dash is changed.
Yeah, I know.
Dash is changed becoming...
So, what's...
174 to, 176. That stuff is supposed to go under the other thing. Alright. Basically...
So what's the function here?
Don't worry, I already have it. Let me just make a push.
You know, you don't really have to push it, and you just send me the code.
It's too late.
Okay.
But basically, you'd had to copy and paste 176 to 179 to basically 173, I believe.
You have not pushed it, my friend.
Go switch to main. Switch to main.
Why did you switch to main? You could just update from main.
Update from main, but try.
Oh wait, fetch. Yeah, I forgot to fetch.
Yeah, do a fetch.
Fetch, update from main. There you go.
Yeah, because you have to. It does both of them at once. There you go.
There it is.
Yeah.
Wait, where did you place the death animation then? Oh well, that's another
death animation. So I accidentally didn't know there's a death animation. So right now, basically, it kills the player, and when it kills the player, it removes the player. So in its place, I make it spawn the death animation at exactly the player's spot, so that you don't notice it.
Oh, so it removes the player object. and replace it with the death
It
animation.
replaces it with the death animation, yeah. Now, one thing is that we might have to update stuff on the reloading so you can at least see the players dead. Alright, hang on. Let me make sure that I can drown the river.
Drown the river.
Because right now I keep drowning and getting stuck in the river, and I was like, oh no.
Yeah. I was thinking like, you know what? I'm actually gonna like go back to the play space real quick and put the glowberry on the left. Level geometry. Where's glowberry?
Just another
Duplicate that.
day of drowning.
Put that there. You go. There is a glowberry on the left now. Now, when I interact with that, I should be able to dash through. Was there like a... Oh, gotcha. Okay, there you go. That's better. Alrighty, player time to implement those small balance changes. First of all, I want to do the animations. I'm gonna make a new function called update animations. Because why is all of that in process? Okay. So what I want to do is to have yeah, when they're not moving, then they use default. Where walk? They're walk. Okay, it's in a priority order. Gotcha. So is attacking up and attacking down okay, so attack. Ande? That's weird. Oh, it's not doing anything.
Alright, the attack up and attack down. That's where I had a problem, was the attacking up was having a problem.
Okay.
Having that same problem?
I could deal with that.
Okay.
So is there options for looping or no?
Looping inside of what?
An animation spray, animated spray.
So at the bottom left hand corner.
Bottom left. Okay, gotcha.
So I purposely turned off loops on certain ones. It doesn't quite matter if it's a 1 sprite and it's looping though.
You never go back to default. Default is just a placeholder.
Oh wait, what if you're just standing?
Then it sets walk down and walk up,
No,
respectively.
if it's walk up is still when you're walking, right?
Yeah.
What if you're standing still?
It's gonna take the first frame of both. That's what I'm thinking.
Alright, so then you have to turn playing off.
Mm-hmm.
Can you
Alrighty.
instead make a new state called stand up and stand down? That would make it a lot easier. And where you just take the first.
You know, where's the attacking up and down? There it is. I don't want that. What I want is facing down because it's honestly easier.
There's a reason why I did attacking up and attacking down, but that can work.
it's easier to do that.
Yes.
Let's see. First of all, I want to move that piece of code there. I want... Yeah, so we have the is facing down variable. Basically updates whenever you're trying to face up or down,
Oh,
pretty
very
much.
well.
But that is only updated either when attacking or
If you have an is facing down, but you don't have it attacking up and it's attacking down, you still want an is attacking.
yeah.
Yes. Hello.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I want is this state motion velocity. The y is above 0, so changes the facing up and down, and it's when you're moving. Okay. It's facing down. So if you're facing down, the animation sprite is walk up when you're walking up, or walk down if you're walking down. Get that error out. Real quick. Okay. So now it's supposed to it's doing it the other way around.
Oh, remember 1 and 0 are off Lipton. Maybe.
It's doing the other way around. Oops. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna just change is facing down to is facing up because I'm lazy. There you go. Now it's supposed to do what it's supposed to do. And there. There we go. Now it's supposed to work. Yep. Now the question is, why is it still playing?
Because while you're if you didn't do the...
Oh. Okay, there is still like decimals. There's a decimal difference. Pretty much. So I think just set that to 1. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Think Ah. Gotcha. If, when you're still moving, it plays the animation, else it's not playing the animation, and you set the frame of walking to 0. There you go. Simple. Now, time to do the dashing. Is dashing through the snow with a one-horse open sleigh. So it prioritized. So the thing I did is to basically change the sprite of the player to dashing. So it will look like they're dashing. If they're not dashing, it will turn into the walk sprite. Simple as that. And we did it. I think I need to change the dash indicators real quick. It's like too small to notice.
Okay.
Could easily do that. Get the tablet out.
Hi,
It's fine.
tablet round 3.
I had to put down the tablet so I could access my workstation better. So if I'm not drawing, I actually have to put my tablet down, even though it's my 4th monitor.
Alright, now while Kai is on break, getting and booting up the tablet, chat, post in the chat exactly what color of programmer socks I should be shopping for Kai on live stream.
Oh my goodness.
Taking requests.
No, stop. Where is it? Aspirate. There you go. Here's the indicator.
Alright, yellow? Yellow sounds pretty nice.
I mean, yellow is my color. Why am I helping you? Stop. No.
Express.com. That's another vote for yellow.
Another vote for yellow. There's like only a handful of people here.
You know, I just searched up the word yellow and it immediately gave me socks. So that's
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Stop.
I love though if you like go on the shopping website and actually search up programmer socks, it will give exactly that.
Oh my goodness. They know the culture.
Amazon and look up programmer socks on Amazon. It will send you the socks you're thinking of.
There it is. The indicator, the dash indicator is much more obvious now. Okay, so now we have that. Amazon. Sadly, like, as much as I want to order stuff from Amazon, like, the delivery from Amazon to here, like, kind of doubles the price.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, it's like,
Process.
let's say like $5 of cable ties or something like that. The delivery fee is like $5 as well, so like that's $10 of cable ties.
Only $5? I would expect the delivery fee from Amazon for you is like 25.
Oh, you do? Oh wait, that's gonna reveal where I live. No, I'm gonna just search it off screen. Screw y'all.
Cat. Kai lives also in Ohio, the other part of Ohio.
How dare you?
Ohio, and then you have dark Ohio.
I'm going to help myself.
Okay, so right now, like 60 pieces of cable ties is like $7. If I add that to cart
I'm going to help myself.
and like proceed to checkout.
To help myself.
Okay,
Scrap, so I lost track of which is love and which is hate. But I'm through being your punching bag in your referee and your battleground. I'm going to help myself.
Chat, let me know what you think of this.
okay. Wait, how do we check delivery? Hold on. Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Okay, never mind. Like, this is taking too much time. But yes, so how I know the like doubling of prices basically. Honestly, it's just the culture of like things being sent here being more expensive than they should have. Like sister from mine like sent like a whole box of things and end up paying like nearly double for it.
What? No, I hate VAT. Why VAT? Why?
It's not just that's like a whole box of thing. Like think of like 1 meter squared in size.
Just wait. What?
One meter cube. One by 1 by 1.
That's big. That's a huge box. That's like shipping a person.
Oh my goodness. I think it's one I think it's one meter. I'm just using the measurements of my table. Okay, so where was I? Dashing.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
There's also this weird state of dashing into the middle and then you can't get out, and Chino is
Yeah.
working
I'm
on that.
So trying to make sure we can drown. I mean. Oh no.
Okay. Other than that, artist socks? Is artist socks a thing?
Artist socks?
I don't think artist socks is a thing.
So we can have programmer socks, but we can't have artist socks?
I don't know if artist socks are a thing. Okay, where was I? Animations. For attacking. If that turns into L if is there a attacking an attacking cooldown? Oh, there it is. Attack time. If attack okay. Timer. Let me check timer. Okay, so if the time left on the attack timer is still more than 1, then the animated sprite should turn into attack up or attack down. Pretty much. Attack down. And then if not, if shoot time is also more than normal, then change the animation to throw. There he is. It shows an animation. Okay. Now the tricky part is actually changing the timings of everything. Oh, music's out. Chino, sing. There's no music.
What?
There you go. You got music.
Alright, you're on.
Alrighty, time to change all the time. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna add a node and name it timers. So many of them. Dash time, shoot time, and attack time. And then dash cooldown, shoot cooldown. Then attack cooldown. And knockback time. Attack dash first. Gotcha. There you go. They're all in timers now. So I'm gonna update all of that to reflect what's happening. That should work. Okay, the shoot cooldown 2 seconds. One second. Then I'm gonna add more timers. Pretty much it's the prep time. So I'm gonna add like a attack and a shoot prep timer. And duplicate. Shoot prep. And have a signal to timeout to the player. And set all of those preparation time to 0.1, like a tenth of a second.
When you dash, should you be invincible from the entity?
Yes. And its attacks.
Right.
Okay. So we also need to change the facing towards the entity. Is there like a way to like determine that for the player?
By changing the facing, what do you mean?
So you know it faces the entity.
The player always faces the entity?
I mean, yeah, that's what parry is.
Okay, so only when we're parrying or when we're walking too?
Parrying. It's not fighting
Okay,
game directions.
Yeah, we can make a check for that. We basically need to make it in the is. Go in the is. If the is attacking? Yeah, it would be is. You make an extra check on is attacking for the process. I don't know exactly how you reform that.
No, I'm just saying like I'm asking right now if there's a way for the player to attract the entity like without, you know, grabbing the entity itself.
The player to track where the entity is.
AKA okay, simpler question. Is game state tracking the entity's object?
No, the game state does not track the entity's object.
Okay, is there a way for me to do that?
So,
Or like is there like settled code that you set up to make sure the entity is tracked?
no, we do not have code that has it. So,
I think yeah, I'm just gonna add like a code to the entity then to just tell where that it's the entity.
now there's an easier way that might be really lame, but it would work.
Okay, tell me.
Put the entity in a group, and then use a get parent and then get child. Because
No,
yeah.
it's easier to just put it in the game state.
Or going back.
You have like a current player variable.
I've been wandering ever since,
Chino, please.
hiding at night, not eating more than scraps. Stupid morning, sick with fear, unable to sleep.
Why are you different colored though?
Unable to sleep.
Entity. So if you're wondering why I'm like asking Chino about these questions, it's so that we could make the code consistent and not all over the place.
So it is a game jam.
It is a game jam, but I think cooperation is still key, especially like since we're both programmers, you know. Okay, so I need to find the.
Oh, okay. I just posted a link to the socks in the chat, but I just realized they don't show up. Probably YouTube doesn't let me put links in the chat.
Yes, you are not allowed to put links in the chat.
No! You foiled me once again.
Sorry, I don't allow links to the chat.
For now. Well, I mean, not for now. I mean, you're safe for now.
Oh my goodness. Alrighty.
Okay,
So how does the player tell that it's them? Do we just immediately connect to game state or something when we start?
how does the player tell that it's...
Yep. Yeah, here it is. Found it.
Yeah.
Okay, so where is Mr. Entity? The Entitoire. Set entity. Class name entity. Ande? 71.1.
So you might have to do stuff in init instead of ready. I don't know for sure, but there might be race conditions here with that. Just as an FYI. Well, actually, if it's just a player, then the player always spawns after the entity, then you're fine.
Player start follow. Class player couldn't be fully loaded. Cyclic script error or cyclic dependency.
It always does that. Just restart Godot if it gives you cyclic dependency.
Was that so?
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you reference the class player, 9 times out of 10, I just restart Godot and it's fine. Is something wrong with your typing?
Fixed it.
Okay, yeah, no.
And I didn't have to restart Godot.
What do you do?
I don't know. I just like saved on the player scene, and then just does it. Okay, so game state. Here it is. Ugh. Function that entity of type entity
Spawn after we die.
entity is equal to current entity is equal to entity. So I guess so it tells. So the entity tells itself to the game state that I am the entity. I am the entity now. Now that's happening. Banui Kai. What do you think of Banui Kai?
Wait, what? The new Kai? When? Where?
Yeah, the worker is asking you, what do you think of Banui Kai?
I remember Cinderace Kai last year.
There is Cinderace Kai last year, but it's not really Banui Kai.
We'll see this November.
Well, like, no, I'm not doing Banui on November. I already like set up what's on November.
Sorry. Planning 7 months ahead.
I did it. I actually like don't remember what it is, but I remember to like scheduled it specifically to remind me what's the choices for November. I think Banui Kai is fine. Okay, where were we? Attack. So now I could get game state, current entity, dot position, dot y, it's facing down, and if the it'll be true if the entity is higher than the player. Sorry, it's facing up. It's facing up when they're... and the entity is facing up. And then... the... update... X-flip. If the position of your character is facing wait, X flip. Did you set X flip as Boolean? No.
Is in.
Okay, I need to think. Okay, -1 if player is facing left, else 1. There you go. That works. So now when they attack, they should face the they should be facing the entity. Let's bring back the entity into play space just to test that. Here it is. Yep, facing the entity. Actually facing the entity. Nande. The good thing about Godot, you could definitely just pause the game, change a bit of code. Yep. Now it's doing the thing. Coolio. And then I need to stop the animation. Stop the animation and then change that timer to attack prep. So it's a build up. And Uh, where is attack prep? It's not added in code. Gotcha. Okay. Cooldown, dash cooldown. Function on attack rep timeout.
There might be one additional sprite I want. I don't want to make you do more sprites though. You know how you have two sprites for the deaths? If you get 2 sprites for drowning.
You want me to add sprites for drowning? It's easy.
If that makes sense.
I can do that. It'll take some time though. I'm working on animations. After I do animations for the character, then I'll do it. Okay, so attacking. Start. And then get that. And then it's gonna make the hitbox and animate the character. So animate it straight. Just play. And then, once attack time is out, right, I need to, start the attack timer as well. Yeah. So should animate well. Wait, where's attack time? Oh. I haven't made the boolean for attacking. It's fine. Alright, back to the attack thingy. If it's attacking or...
Alright, I'm gonna need to get some more tea, so I will be right back. I sent a couple more pushes to Master. They made these little bug fixes.
Gotcha.
So I will be right back.
Alrighty, so it does the preparation for the attack, Hold on. Speaking of preparation for the attack, I need to change frame to 0. So it goes to the first frame. And then... Okay, first frame, so that's prep, and then the actual attack. Once attack time timed out, set is attacking to false. And then it's on cooldown. And then change the animation from relying to how much time is left to if the character is just attacking in general. And I think that should do the attack animation. It's not doing the attack animation. Is there... None there? Okay, that's weird. Oh, it's repeatedly calling attack prep. Oh, dude. Why though? Oh, I didn't turn on one shot. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay.
Seeing you for the first time may be something of a shock to him.
I think I understand, Doctor.
Now I'm gonna remove the entity because I don't need the entity right now. Where is the entity? Close that level geometry. Remove the entity. I don't need you right now. Okay, so you're supposed to do the attack animation, but you're not doing the attack animation.
Your father's far from being a well man, Miss Kennington.
Yes, I know.
Seeing you
Why are you not doing the attack animation?
to him.
I think I understand, Doctor.
He's looking forward to your arrival with great eagerness. I hope that there will be any occasion for you to be separated from him again. Come with me,
Let me check.
Alright, I can't I come back and all I'm thinking about is like the Reese's Puff song.
Huh?
I think I understand, Doctor.
Yo, hey, hi Volt. Yeah, it's the Chino.
Wait. Maybe it's my audio, but I can't hear you.
Oh,
Wait a second.
alright, it's time to say random things while Chino is muted. I like
Oh, you're
apples.
muted on Discord, that's it.
I like lemons. I like Chino. I like oranges. Are you still muted? I like lime. Hi, Cook. Hope you're having a nice day. And Volt too. Hope you're also having a nice day. And hello. Hope you're having a good time.
Hi,
Chino is also very quiet.
please
I'm
unmute yourself on Discord. I want to hear you.
Why is Chino very quiet?
Oh,
Chino, you're very quiet. Oh, never mind. It's just my volume. The volume set for Chino. I think Chino sounds fine now. Oh no! Chino! We need to communicate! The world is ending! People are perishing! They're getting demonetized, Chino!
Kai,
They're getting demonetized!
talk to you.
They're getting demonetized, Chino! The lives are getting lost! Livelihoods! The whole livelihoods!
You are.
Chino! You have to unmute! People are getting demonetized!
Discord.
You unmuted on Discord? Chino? Chino! Chino, no! You lost Chino, people. Chino will be remembered. They only exist in the mirror world now. Chino life insurance. Oh my god. We need to get out. We need to donate to Chino getting out of the mirror world fund.
Hang on. I'm trying to fix my audio problems, but Kai, you need to remove the mute from your Discord call so I can hear you live.
Oh yeah, I was muted on Discord. Oh my goodness, I didn't know I was muted on Discord.
There we are. There we are. Wait, can you hear me a little bit clear? I don't know.
No. We actually like mourned for your loss already. Unfortunately, we have passed away to the mirror world where only mirrors can see you. No, we could only see you through mirrors.
Send us once more.
Can't believe I was muted this whole time. Oh, that's funny. Ah, that's so weird. Hi, Sky. Hope you're having a nice day. Gosh darn it. Oh.
My microphone was doing some weird stuff. I was trying to hear myself on stream, and I'm like talking. You can only hear every other word I'm saying. It's like, Kai,
Oh no.
help!
Oh, that's funny. Okay, where were we? We're trying to like fix the animation.
Okay, I don't know.
I'm trying to fix the
I came in
animation.
here talking about Reese's Puffs, and my entire mind went blank. Okay, so animation. What animation are you fixing?
The player animation is not playing the animation, so
Which player of which animation? No.
it's things that you don't have control over code right now, because I'm doing this in code.
No, I mean, which animation is having a problem? Is it running? Is it
The attacking,
running?
the attacking animation. I think the attacking animation is set up. Yeah.
Is it? Alright, so what is happening is, can you push your stuff to master so I could like get a good look at this? Because I mean, when I pushed it, attacking still wasn't working with the animation. So let's see if let's look at this code at the same time and try to resolve this problem.
Well, if you say so. Okay. So, hold on. Yeah, let me push to master, right? So, player stuff. animation stuff. Okay, can I commit to it? I'm gonna commit that to my branch first. Okay,
Commit all earthly possessions to master.
and go to main.
Main.
Merge into current branch.
Right.
There is conflict. Okay, it's the water body thingy.
Alright. The water. Hang on. Oh yeah, you do have your stream up live. Fine. So let me see.
Mhm.
What? Wait, could you undo that? Just I want to see what you're editing here.
I'm just putting in stuff like
Alright.
the ones you
Got it.
check that out. And then like the water stuff, yeah.
Okay.
Double checking right now. Water bodies and
Just
water.
you want both of them.
Why do you have it in an array? Why not just increase the count?
So, if you're standing on two adjacent tiles at the same time and you put them,
Why is it an array? Why not just a count?
so I don't like counts. I like arrays because they're.
But you don't need to check every single body of water.
It works, Kai.
My goodness. Okay, and then
At least you
this
have two
one.
entirely different bodies, so that if you're like, you don't want to like say that you're still in a body of water when you exited one, went onto another tile, and then exited one, and then went onto another, and it's like, I don't know, very edgy case. However, you only are gonna have one tile set map anyways, so I overlooked that.
Okay. I'm pushing to main. I have pushed to main.
Alright, I'm gonna pull main.
I'm also gonna pull main. Okay, so in the code structure, me and Chino have like two separate copies of the same game, and main is what we call the code all compiled together.
Used to be called master, and I keep calling it master, and I keep forgetting it's main.
I know, right? It's like it's master in like other repositories, but it's main. Why not just Chino just pull the KR branch? Because combined code, pretty much. And we don't want to like make like accidental conflicts and stuff. It's safer to pull from main.
Let's see.
Okay.
I have the wrong code up. Alright, reload this. I see pink beam.
I tried to remember. But when everything is coming back to me,
Because sometimes we actually make commits that we're just not sure yet. So, yeah, we would just prefer to yeah. Oh, there it is. There's the death animation. No, stop.
Originally, we had the death animation playing while the GUI was playing it, so I'm like, alright, we need to make sure that the character sees it.
Oh, I see. I think I may have an idea. Why the thing is... Yeah, there it is.
Oh no, Rosie, we're not committing to main, we're committing to branches that then we merge to main.
Yeah.
That's what you're supposed to do.
I found the solution to my problem. It's just a friggin' it's just one piece of code. It's like programming.
My life right now.
It's just one piece of code. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna exaggerate the prep time and the attack time real quick. Because that's what I want. Wow. There you go. Yep, there it is. So 0.3 attack prep, 0.2. And then I want to like I also want to disable motion if they're attacking. So I'd say is attacking, and then just break. Oh wait, no, they're still move and slide. So like, is attacking is equal to pass. So it just ignores all of that. So it ignores all of this, like this whole thing, when you're attacking. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
If you're attacking, if you're attacking pass.
Yeah, because I just realized what the problem is. Actually, I'll let me demonstrate. Like, well, I know what the problem is. So when you're moving, right, and then you attack, and then you just continue on that same direction, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna disable input instead.
I mean, you just change what motion velocity as well as is attacking. They can make motion velocity 0 if you want to stop it.
No, I still want them to like slow down still.
Alright.
So I'm gonna do it in I'm just gonna do it in input. So move all of this out. So when you attack, oh, it still moves.
Wait, what's happening? Attacking is still moving.
Yeah.
So he's attacking. Reminder, move and slide is still going, so as long as motion velocity is not changed, then I'll still use whatever motion velocity is. So all that you're commenting, all the stuff that you're avoiding with only the manipulation of the motion velocity variable, if you want to change the motion velocity variable, you have to change it, yeah.
The problem is for me is like Monday. Oh, he's attacking. There you go.
Yeah.
So if we like if we try to attack, right? It just immediately stops, right? I want that like that like very small speed down. I'm pretty sure you have that small speed.
Slow while attacking instead of stopped, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so then what we need to do is you want to, easiest way to do that is look at the code for the swamp.
The
Do you want
swamp.
to slow down, or do you want to slow down gently, or do you want immediately slowed down?
I think gently, maybe.
So because right now what I have is slowed, but that's just an immediate slowdown. So if we want to gently slow it down, we're gonna have to lerp it to a variable and then do that. That's a bit of work. Alright, I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay. Pinky
So
time.
basically, I mean, I would think it should go, all this logic though should go in the, wait, actually never mind, it shouldn't go in there. So yeah, it should be inside that if statement. Just like in the, you might want to just do it inside the reuse the code in is slowed. Whereas right now, all that is slowed does is changes the max velocity immediately. What you'd have to do is you'd have to lerp down the max velocity, I believe. Instead of making a constant value to clamp to, you have to make the slowed max velocity. You have to change 62 and 63 to instead of using max velocity, it uses a dynamic variable that changes to max velocity. If that makes any sense. I'm not sure if that made any sense.
Found it. So here's the thing instead, because I'm lazy. So when you're checking the attack, right? So when you check attack, you're just gonna copy these lines there instead, because it slows them down. It's just I'm just. Yeah, it's not like slow as in slow them down. It's not like that's
it might
that
like get them to a stop.
friction. That small friction when you attack, which is pretty much immediate. I need to adjust that.
All right, you might want to just make a second different friction. So like instead of motion friction, you make like attack friction.
There you go. Now I just need motion friction.
No, I mean that's gonna then change the friction of when you're just slowing down. So it's kind of gonna make it a little slippery too. So you want two different frictions.
No, this is fine.
I mean, all right. Right.
Is the player Z managed?
No.
No. Yeah, the glowberries is just like at the bottom of the player. That's why I was thinking. Do Z manage them? Let's do that again. Depth something? I thought there's like a depth sorter. Isn't there like a depth thingy? Y sort.
No, on that. That would be nice if there was.
Y sort. It's called Y sort.
Okay.
I need to put the glowberries to the play space though. To be affected by white.
Iris berries.
Iris berries. Iris berries.
Berries.
Gosh. Okay, so... And they're gone. None there. There it is. And then change the player sprite. That's the player spawn point. Player sprite T index. Revert that. Now it should work. There it is. Now it's behind and above. Now to do the same calculations for dashing, not dashing, throwing. Yes, there's also delay for throwing. Oh, where's the player again? There it is. So we have the shooting thingy. So first of all, the shoot thingy. That should work. Changed it. Oh my gosh. There is a car passed by. Loudspeakers on. Yeah, it's what do you call it? It's election. It's election season.
Oh no.
Yep. So you have.
They want to re-elect President Cheeto in order
Oh my
to
goodness.
what is it? So we're gonna have to go and gather up fursonas, and then you go and you awaken your fursona, and you're going to change your art.
Oh my goodness.
With the
Why?
power of Kitty.
Power of Kitty. Go disable the timer. Right. Ring 0. So they did there was like a group that just gave us pens. And the pens are like have like the voting thingy, like the the advertising for like to vote this person thingy on the pens, and then like they're just like tacked on with a sticker, so like I just like remove them, and now I have pens. And they're good gel pens too.
Ooh,
Like-
I like those.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, have you ever went to a career fair before?
No, I have not.
Where they have like a bunch of booths, and then they're like a bunch of recruiters there, and they'll take your resumes, and they want to hire you basically, and then they have all their free little stuff at the table, so like free cozies, free pens, free magnets, free notepads. I remember last time I was at career fair, my brother and I teamed up. We stormed every single booth, said, "Hi, we're programmers, we want a job, but also we want to take your free stuff." And every one of them just understood us immediately and just gave us all their free not all their free stuff, but like they gave us a good amount, and we just came out of there with like giant bags full of random
Oh my
items.
Oh
And
my
I still
goodness.
have a drawer full of pens that I use to this day that I got free from that career fair.
Oh my goodness.
If you are like really nervous at your career fair, do exactly that. Because likely you might not get a job at the career fair, but if you can at least come away with some free stuff, you've won some way or another. You
My
still need to do
goodness.
them.
That is so good. I mean, I never really sought out jobs. It's just people actually sought out me for a job, or like
Wait, really?
getting me a job. Yeah, I've been wanted for by so many people. But I really wanted to go on my own, so I kind of declined all of them. There's one really good one, but the problem is that I have to move out to a hotter place, and I don't like hotter places.
I didn't know it was even possible for you to move to a hotter place.
I live in the mountains. I live in the I live in the mountains. Like it's
Okay.
it's cool and breezy up here. I have to go down into like it's constantly hot there. Except at night, where it's normal temperature. But at the day, it's just constantly hot there. I can't live with that.
See, I was talking about moving to Antarctica. Not moving to Antarctica. I'm taking a visit to Antarctica, and that's for a good reason. I am not going to a hot place. I just want to go to a nice, cool place. Nice air
Eskimo.
conditioning. We can't have our
Natural air condition.
Antarctica inside of my own house, in my basement. As long as I turn the air conditioning low enough.
Just remember when you're going to higher places that instead of like you need to add to your list of possibilities when disaster struck is the possibilities of landslides.
Ooh, I have not had that happen, but that sounds scary. That sounds
It is scary, but like mine has like a fortified wall to prevent that, so like
okay. That's good.
I'm
That's
good. The reason
Ohio. Oh. No, yeah,
Oh.
you go.
our house is also like slightly crooked, like very like 2 degrees crooked. It's because like there was an earthquake and yeah, there was like a powerful earthquake and that kind of shook the whole town, so it's like off by 2 degrees. But
Right, so like
it's totally fair. It's totally normal.
Ohio is in a safe haven where we're like protected from every single natural disaster that could possibly come out of us. Like, we're not close enough to Tornado Alley. We're too far away from the coast to get any types of hurricanes. Not even near any tectonic plates to get crazy earthquakes. And tornadoes, it's not flat enough here to get crazy tornado damage. I just said stuff about tornadoes. And you can get, of course, floods sometimes. Floods could happen, but as long as your basement is proper, that it won't get like, as long as your stuff is working, then you really don't have a problem that much about floods. Compared to the city I last lived in, where we flooded a lot. Oh, the problem. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, some areas in where I live, like the below the mountains, flooding is very prevalent since like at this time around the season and like for the next few months, all the way up to like October, like we get like typhoons commonly, so we get hit by flooding everywhere. Okay, luckily I live in the mountains, so we don't have that much flooding, but like it gets so bad on some areas where it like even reaches like first floor bad.
I remember after one of the historic floods around my area, people were just all looking around and like swimming around the river because the flood flooded a jewelry shop. And in that jewelry shop, all the jewelry got washed down the river. So then they went on a treasure hunt.
Oh boy. Unfortunate.
Oh, wait, I didn't say blizzards though. We can get maybe good snow here. Good amount of snow that you're gonna be locked in for a while. That's always a problem.
How about
I mean,
snow? I haven't experienced snow. I want to experience snow.
I don't know. No, are you in chat? Kai wants to experience you.
Oh no, 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 not that kind of experience. Freaking heck, Chino.
I don't know what that meant, but it was not intended in a way that was.
It can mean many things,
I did-
and I'm thinking the wrong thing.
The weather is 38 degrees Fahrenheit, clear. All right. Have you ever like looked down if you got the Windows notifications? It tells you like the weather now, and it's told me like severe like pollution outside, run in shelter, severe flooding. It's like giving me these terrible weather conditions. It's like Persona 4 fog outside, run for shelter before it is too late.
Thank goodness.
Right. I got too distracted here. What was I doing?
Good question.
Right. I remember fire shot.
Where was I? Oh yeah, I did the exact same code for attacking and shooting. Well, throughout that whole discussion, just make sure that I don't want to do like the same things. I don't want to like attack and shoot at the same time. So I'm gonna change that.
Bullet to me.
Crime you two planned was indeed perfect. Only the victim survived the murder of another.
And where's the shooting? Is shooting true? Is shooting cooldown true?
But do the enemy's attacks also emit light?
No.
No. Okay.
Only the torch, the player, and the attack. No, that one's not animating. 뭔데? Okay, is there anything that I forgot? Oh, it's shoot prep. It's not shoot time, it's shoot prep. So there you go.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so Tito, look. That looks so satisfying.
Wait. Oh wait. Hang on. I'm looking.
Look.
Accidentally switching between students. 1 second. 1 second.
Yeah, look at my screen real quick.
All right. Now I'm at.
Oh, it's so good. Okay, I want them to actually face I want them to actually face where they should be facing. So
So you said you want small bullets to go at you, and home at you, and big bullets to.
yeah.
All right.
The
You want every time the enemy shoots a bullet or like stops to shoot something, is that going to be the bigger bullet and then it just shoots smaller bullets automatically?
no.
Alright.
First for boomerang travel, we tried that, but that looks awkward. That looked awkward. I know it's gonna cover more ground, but yeah, I don't think we have like time right now.
Wait, boomerang travel? That actually sounds pretty cool.
You like you know the one you tried before,
Wait. Hang on. Where?
like the thing you tried before, back in the first day.
Oh, yeah, no, curves don't work. Trust me. We're not gonna. It's not gonna work because you don't have a perfect 1-1 curve here. You have to first curve it to a point, and then I think we're still doing that. We're curving it to a point, but after you curved it to the point, you gotta know the next location, and it's gonna keep changing until it actually gets back to the player.
Since Chino added that curve function, I really don't know how to like work around it because I could actually do that whole curve mathematically.
Yeah, I just don't like doing it mathematically. I wanted to do it as a curve, but I mean, you could.
Nah.
But now, what I thought you meant by boomerang travel is being able to warp to the boomerang.
No.
It would make it a lot easier to get across that river. Alright, alright.
It's computer science, Chino. You need to embrace the math. But we're both lazy.
I took 4 years of computer science, so I would never have to take math again. Maybe.
Yeah, we work around the math.
Whatever you have to do math, stop. Somebody did math already for you.
Or was I?
Somebody did it on Stack Overflow.
Okay, so
Like, legit, I had to do some crazy stuff at work on Friday, and it was like, all right, we have to do this one thing, and it's going to be really much a pain to do it. So I was like, all right, Stack Overflow, copy paste, on call while I was streaming, editing the code. They're like, yeah, it's one of those days. I mean, as long as you're like doing it for a special certain function, then you're pretty much good. Like, if you're doing your entire body of code, that's another thing. But when you're trying to do one specific thing, always a good thing. Okay. Oh, what are they? Sorry. I don't even have the right code up. This isn't even the project I'm working at. How do I keep doing this? Alright. So, back to the shooting mechanics. You have the big bullets and you have the little bullets. Should they all be fired at once, or do they get fired at different times?
Okay, repeat that question real quick.
You got the big giant bullet and you got the small giant bullet. And you said this. Sorry, you have the big giant bullet and the small bullets that the enemy fires. The small bullets, do they get fired at the same time as the big bullet?
Yes.
And the small bullet's home while the big bullet doesn't.
Yes. We'll adjust accordingly once we actually experienced it and stuff. Okay. That should fix it. There you go. Yep, there it is. And then just do it again once they've thrown over. Where it is? There it is. And then the text flip.
And can you parry every bullet or just one of them?
You could parry. I think every bullet is better. Because like what if you parried and then a bullet comes through and you still get hit, and that doesn't feel right. So you might see the map right now, just for those who came in later on. Yeah, it is so long. I would definitely do ternaries I prefer C++ ternaries, but you know what? It's fine. I think Godot. I think Godot just does this and not Python. I'm pretty sure it's the logic displayed is pretty much the same as Python, but I would definitely love the ternary of C#. It's like, yeah, because this is awkward because like it's a wraparound, but also kind of makes sense. It prioritizes the true value first. It prioritizes seeing the true value first. Okay, I'm done with the character stuff.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
I don't know what else to work on right now. Oh, you have debug messages for in and out of water.
Wait, so what's happening in and out of the water? Are you dying in the water, or?
It does work,
Okay.
but like, you just have like the debug messages.
Okay, I remember that. Okay, that you can just remove those if you want.
Okay, now let's pit them against the entity.
What I'm finding though is that I die in the water too easily.
Yeah, you think? Okay.
I just jump in the water.
Maybe we should change it like okay, if the person has like one body of water, you can push them out. But if it has two, it'll.
So, what?
Oh, wait, no. If it has 3 bodies of water, it'll kill them. But if it only has 2, then push them out. I don't know. Edge detection cases.
That would require making extra hitboxes on the water. Basically, is what I'm thinking.
Ternaries are so convenient. Yeah, I agree.
Don't get me started on JavaScript ternaries. Every single ternary. Dude, I don't write if statements anymore.
My goodness. Also, I hate Streamlabs. Streamlabs is like updating the description to insert like support the Kayera. Like, seriously, dude? Let me change that real quick. Like, why do you do these? Settings. Sooner or later, I will have to remove the Streamlabs thingy. But yeah. How do we do this? I think I'm done with like everything that I wanted though.
Alright. Okay. I'm right now working on the bullets. Making sure that works correctly, and it kind of looked a little weird when I was pairing them back, so I'm also working on that. What we got? We do have the matter of either A, making an actual playable level than just a test space, because right now it's hard to identify how it actually all works together,
Mm-hmm.
and that is very critical. If you are able to start building like that, that would be good. You
Yeah.
need the. Do you think?
I see what you mean by the water. Uh, ah. Consider this though, like when you're trying to hit the glowberries, it's very. Okay, here's the actual situation right now. So this is what you're seeing. This is what you're seeing right now. So you're actually not seeing anything right now. So when you're trying to like find glowberries, the glowberries themselves has to be big. But also we need the death animation to be like
Oh, lit up.
yeah.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is just gonna duplicate the sprite instead.
Sprite is duplicated though. Wait, what are you talking about?
Dead sprite.
No, hang on. We already have that. We already have that.
What? Okay.
Already there. Go look up dead.
Dead placeholder.
And we just need to put the light in there.
Where is editable children? Hide that dash indicator. And then add the unshaded material.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Let's get out. Get out. Get out. No. No. Okay. That's where I need to go. Ah! Oh. Yeah, I think we need to change the logic so that they would stand back to shoot to give more time to the player.
Stand back when it shoots? Or hang on. What do you mean?
So like that. Let me change the background real quick. Default clear color black. There you go. That makes more sense. Ugh. So when they're trying to attack, they like go back a bit and then shoot, because if you saw that, that's too near.
You mean shot right next to you?
Yeah, like you look. See how small that gap is?
Alright. So stand back right when shooting. And back when shooting.
Also, I'm gonna make the entity move slower. I think, like 90. Ninety works, I think.
I'm drinking tea, but the tea bag exploded, so I'm just getting a
Oh no!
with it.
Crunchy tea snack.
All right.
Player. Shoot prep. Change that to 0.1.
I'm gonna write this down.
Right now, I'm trying that. Like, I'm trying, like, see how, like, intense this is. Yeah, but right now, the entity does feel cheap. Especially once you, like, started throwing something. So, maybe increase that entity knockback. So, like...
knockback timer.
Oh yeah, the knockback timer also works. Okay, so I need to tweak the entity. Oh yeah, I'm not doing anything on the hitbox of the player yet when they are attacking, because I think Chino forgot that we need to implement the thingy.
Wait, what?
The thing that makes it the thing that makes the attack particle. Okay, just to be generous, I will also where's the lighterang throw. I'm gonna change that hitbox bigger. It would be more generous to the glowberry. Yeah, it's the where's the sword swish particle to tell how far you swing, Chino?
The sword swish part. Okay, there's supposed to be a particle there.
Yeah,
Got it, got it, got it. I did not put that in there, so yeah, sword swish particle.
I did tell you about it a while ago. Anyway, I'm gonna push this to main already, so
Alright, thank you, thank you. Alright, I'm
made it.
getting in a little conundrum here, where, so... Actually, never mind, I think I got this, I think I got this.
I need to make that slightly visible before I push. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the entity.
Okay. Wait, what are you working on in the entity?
The entity? Oh, yeah, just how they attack and their animation, pretty much. Well, I mean their animation mainly right now. Just like that looks wrong. AKA balancing the entity as well. Not the shooting part, the how they arc
Okay.
part.
Okay, yeah. I don't have any changes that would overlap on it.
Well, if there's anything, it does starting it is starting to feel like a game, an actual game now.
That is good. That is very good.
Yeah, this is where Chino is. Actually, I'm gonna give the player itself a light ignore. So they would look fair. Mm. It's not supposed to be a massive sword, actually. Okay, so what I want to do is change the entity's animation because right now it does not look good. Like when it's trying to attack, it's like not doing much. It's a sword, but it cannot hurt the entity. It can only parry. Basically, like the aim of the game is to, well, delay the inevitable, as the theme implies, and that's delaying this friggin' guy and like and navigate your way and prevent the entity from hitting you, pretty much. And you cannot parry with the boomerang. It's legit for navigational purposes. Okay. So what did you do the animation? Start shoot, play shoot, but it's not doing the animation. Entity sprite. Gotcha. Also, we don't have music again. Do something, Chino. Chino, entertain us while the music is out.
I do.
No, stop! How dare! Oh my god. Is this related to Furia Revolve? Like Furia Revolve is? No. This is a separate game outside of lore of Furia. Is that my identity already? Just everything I make is Furia related. I didn't mention the levels. No, this is just one whole pass.
Okay, I'm done. I ran out of those.
We need to we need to we need to I actually lost my thought. Yeah, this is supposed to be like one long pathway that you should be taking. That water.
Very good.
And there will be challenging terrain, but we'll see if we're gonna finish this at the end of Ludum Dare, or if we're just gonna continue this until it's like at a good state. Most likely we're just gonna finish it at a good state because like it is actually going really good now.
Controlled plus equals delta over wait time. Well, there's that new category of Ludum Dare,
Just casual.
the casual mode.
I don't want to work for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I don't like working for 2 weeks either. I don't like those really long game jams.
They shortened the voting time too to 2 weeks. Because let's face it, like waiting for a month, voting is not actually gonna do much once there's a month. The first week alone, if you really want to get to the top there, you need to do it like rather than part of dock probably, but I'm imagining Glowberries slow down the entity, but they unlight after a little bit, slowing the inevitable as it comes. Right now it actually the Glowberries does not affect the player, just the main characters do. The main characters' parries only do. Where was I? Start, shoot. Animation, play, shoot. Fire, shoot. That's where you play the shoot.
It's so wonky. It's working.
Nande?
So weird.
Oh, is the animation signaling animation finished? Yeah, okay. Okay. Add a new timer. Name it shooting wind up. Then signal that timeout to the entity, so when that timer is up, it'll do the thing. Start, shoot, entity sprite. I want the attack prep playing. So when it starts to shoot, it preps the attack. The signals there, you're gonna set the attack. Rosie, I can help you with this. Actually pretty well, it's pretty high level stuff, so not like high level complex stuff. It's like it's very friendly. So so when the entity winds up, it's gonna play attack prep, and then it plays the wind up. Why did I need shooting wind up? Shooting wind up. Okay, where's the signal? Let me rename that. Edit that. Name that shooting wind up. Function and shooting to wind up. Go. We're gonna pass this for now, since there's nothing happening. Speaking of pass, there's an extra pass. Anyway, we want the timer for shooting to start, so it would do the wind up prep, and once shooting wind up expires. Where's the start shoot? Where's fire shot? Fire shot is somewhere. Nande? Wait. There's only one match of fire shot. Where did you place fire shot?
Sorry, look, what are you looking for?
Fire shot. Where is it used?
Fire shot. It's only used once there. Wait, are you looking for where is fire shot used? That's called inside of an animation player. So look inside of animation player. That's where we call it.
Animation player.
Not in reset.
Shoot. Entity sprite plays the shoot.
Oops, sorry.
I'm deleting this.
Why? Why do you not like my animation players? They're brilliant. They're
the one I'm doing right now is not gonna be compatible at all.
I could get that. I mean,
Like what I'm doing right now doesn't need it.
what are you doing right now?
something
I mean by that.
that plays with variable stuff and doesn't have to be in a timeline.
So it's not in a specific timeline. All right, then. Don't
Yeah.
Use don't use an animation player for that.
So when the wind up timer is up, it fires the shot and and if the animation player is equal to, let's fire the shot, and then it's gonna play the attack shoot animation, and if the name is attack shoot, it's gonna do all of that stuff that Chino made and change the animation to oh wait, do you have a animation finish? There it is. And connect that to the entity. And change that back to idle. Change that instead of the animation player, it's the entity sprite. Is there anything more on the entity sprite that I got? Nope, it's just those 3 states. So now, on that. Ah! Yep. Okay, I get it. I forgot to turn off loop on those things. Where's the entity? Hold on. All right. Sorry. I was being asked by someone. Okay. So now this is like, yo, I'm vibing. My goodness. Okay. The wind up needs the wind up is there to tell you that should be done. Okay. Print random name just to make sure. On that. Edit. be there. Oh, does it not have a variable? Okay. Animation. That could work. Alrighty. Duplicate. Wind down. Changing the nature of things. Okay. This happens too fast. That's for sure. So when wind up starts wind down too, and then shoots the bullet at the same time. But when it's winding down and then its times out, it starts the shooting cooldown that you know have set up, and pretty much be like that. So I don't need the reliance on the entity sprite anymore. And I need to change the entity's hurt box here. Ande? Okay, Gino.
Yes.
Why do you have a collision shape to the outside? And
That collision shape 2D is not used. I
okay,
just wanted to make it a kinematic body 2D, but it doesn't need to be.
so the hitbox is the one for parries, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, no. Hitbox is what will hurt you. Hurt box is what is used for parries.
gotcha. Okay, I'm gonna change that shape to a circle.
Speed.
Okay, gonna make that invisible. Gonna make the entity. That hurt box. Wait, that hurt box is the one for parry. The hit box is gonna want to hit you. Oh, okay. Okay, back to capsule ego. Clear that. Capsule. Then the hitbox is the one that kills you, so I want that to be a small circle at the bottom of the entity. Yeah, I think it should be called different.
Wait, hang on. What needs to be called different?
Hurt box should be parry box or something like that. It's much more
Alright,
meaningful.
yeah. I'm just used to using hitbox, hurtbox.
I could change that. I could change the name of that. Is it safe to change?
I mean, yeah, you're good. I'm stuck in one place right now.
I mean, I'm gonna stay at hurt box because
Can't travel to book that much.
okay. Yeah, there you go. That's a bit more forgiving. Now the entity can actually
You're wrong.
now the entity could actually
Now I know what you're thinking, but
start doing its thing. I'm gonna change the how the entity moves. And knocked back.
you're wrong.
So instead of the drift divisor, it's drift velocity. Yeah.
You're wrong.
Drift constant. What?
You're wrong.
Like 40 or something.
Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong.
So. Alright, bye, Chris.
You're wrong.
So we get drift. Drift velocity is motion velocity times speed of constant. Oh.
You're wrong.
It normalized.
Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong. You're wrong.
I think it's normalized. Yep, that's better. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is like a lot more technical stuff, and I'm also hungry. So, that is it for the stream.
All right.
Any final words, Chino?
Well, I mean, we're still yet to come to a conclusion of what socks we need to get. So
Oh my goodness.
I'll be taking your requests in DMs of votes on the sock colors, and then prepare for shipment in 2 to 4 years.
4 years. Oh my god. Are you gonna make a Twitter post about it? Maybe I could like redirect the people there.
Ooh.
You want to make a Twitter post about it? Or nah? That's
I don't
on
know. I mean, you're making me head to twitter.com.
twitter.com. Just what will Kaira's programmer socks color would be, or like something like that, like at Fia Kaira. Like, you're free to mention me. So you can do that, and then you could just head down to the you could just head down to the things to Chino's Twitter down below, provided on the description. So yeah, I will retweet it, of course. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and hope you guys like enjoyed me explaining things on what I did and stuff like that, and like all this little conversations. It was fun. It was fun streaming. It was really fun streaming. But
Great.
now we are going to the nitty.
Again.
Huh?
So I definitely want to do this again. I will say it was like one problem though I have had is it is definitely hard to work with like we got a time limit and we got a stream. It's definitely a bunch of things to juggle, but it's definitely exciting. It's definitely fun.
Oh, definitely. The thing is like I was like ignoring the countdown this whole time, so like I was just chilling with everyone.
You say that. The one who made the countdown, you know exactly what's going on.
Oh my goodness.
Yo.
I mean, some people know that we're legit serious about the 24-hour time.
All right, we got one vote. It's pink right now. One
Oh my god.
pink on the programmer socks.
Anyway, so yeah, that's the stream. I hope you enjoyed. This is Chino. You can find him out in the socials below.
Off.
And as always, hope you have a nice day. My goodness, Chino.
All right, how many votes do we got now?
How many what?
Still one vote. 100%.
Still one vote.
I know who voted.
I mean, wait, did you like made it into a poll?
Yeah.
Like, that's not much for options, isn't it?
All right, you only get 4 poll options.
I know, but like I always think like in the description, like it's sorry, like they would comment that
Okay, that's true. That is also an option. All right, we got 1 vote for yellow. 1 vote for yellow.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I retweeted it.
Wait, that vote for yellow was you.
No, it's not me. I'm not touching the poll, okay?
hit 1,000 Twitter